going to show you how to set or change the combination on your master lock. It's a 4-digit combination, and this is what the lock looks like. You notice it's just set right there. It will not unlock. So the first thing you want to do is come and look on the back. Just cut this little dotted line and open this up. Once you open it up, you're going to find a key and you're going to find the combination. So the combination to this lock is 3241. So what you want to do is take the lock and enter 3241. And what you want to do is pull it. It should unlock. If it don't unlock, you just push it in. The best thing to do, push in, then pull out. As you can see it locked. So to change the combination, what you want to do is take the key and you want to insert this key right here. And you want to push it in. It's kind of spring loaded a little bit. You could turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise or 90 degrees clockwise. It doesn't matter. So once you push it in, you turn it, you leave it in. Now you change the combination. We're going to change this combination to 1, 1, just making something easy, 1, 1. So that's your new combination. So as soon as you change the combination, just turn the key and pull it out. And that's it. So now your new combination is 1, 1, 1, 1. So I'm gonna just change the first code here and we're gonna lock it. And you notice that it's locked. So to open it, I have to enter 1, 1, 1, 1. See the 2, I'm gonna try to open it, it won't open. So I got to enter the 1, 1, 1, 1. Like I said, you could either pull it, or the best thing to do is push it in and then pull it. That's it. That's how you change the combination on this lock or set the new combination. Okay, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. And you can also look in the link and purchase this off Amazon or check my Amazon influencer account. Thank you and have a great day.